Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW guys and you need to remove or replace guys engine splash shield, engine undercover. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. Also we'll share information that can save you $5,000 to $10,000 if you have that BMW. Make sure to stay until the end guys. So before we start, okay, that should work on BMW F30, F31, maybe even F34 BMW guys. That's a 3 Series generation from year 2012 to year 2019. But now let me introduce you to our channel guys. All the tools and parts that we use. If you need to buy a new splash shield, any tools guys, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price, quick shipping as well. Number 2, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and on this one alone we're planning on having at least 500 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me show you what we will be doing here. We have the car lifted in the air on the quick jack. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It makes your life super easy guys for repairs like that at home. You can move that lift anywhere you want to. And another thing guys, okay, check this channel out, Electrical Car Repair Live. We'll be posting all the electrical videos, diagnostic engine codes, if you have guys engine light, airbag light, all those kind of videos will be posted on that channel. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, next step we're going to lift the car on our little bitty Kia lift. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where we get our lift from. So let's go ahead, lift it up now, and we're going to work underneath guys for a little bit of time now. Okay, let's go now. So this is super convenient guys lift. You can see very quiet, quick, lift it up enough to get a creeper underneath and do things under the car, so makes it super convenient by the way. Okay, it has 2 safety stops, just jump the first one, now it's going towards the second one. Alright, perfect, that's it. Okay, so let's continue with the next step now. So let's show you guys what we'll be doing next. Okay, right here, that's the engine splash shield that we'll be removing. Okay, this one, the cover towards the back. Okay, we'll show you how to do that, how to get everything out of the way if you need to. So we're going to get 8mm socket. Okay, 8mm socket here, and we're going to start on it. So 8mm socket, and we're going to go ahead, start on it now. Okay. You can see we're towards the back. That quick jack is amazing guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where we got it from. It gives you enough room to work on your vehicle so you can use it in your car, garage at home. Because big lifts you cannot lift it all the way. They're really hard to install. This one you can just move it wherever you need it to be. So quite a few bolts that we're removing, you can see. Very long splash shield. All right. Perfect, loose on that side, one more. Perfect, I think after that point we just have the ones towards the front that go towards the bumper actually. Okay, I'm gonna support it with my foot a little bit so it's not hanging, not to break it, right? And one more. Careful, always use eye protection because there is sand and dirt dropping here. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, that bottom piece came out just like that. So you can see, guys, this is the engine's splash shield, also known as engine undercover. That's how it came out. Pretty long. I'll recommend to always wash it good before you install it, rinse it off, because you can see all that dust that's accumulated there, dirt and whatever else it is, maybe engine oil, guys. So that's how you remove it. Putting it together practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Now I want to show you something, guys, here about that BMW. Some of those are affected by a weak timing chain, guys. Okay, weak timing chain components, and that can completely destroy your engine, which can cost $5,000 to $10,000. We just did a timing chain replacement on one that failed. Okay, that's what it looks like. All the components came in pieces, guys. We were able to save the engine, and we have a complete video how to replace timing chain. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Also, search on our channel, you'll find quite helpful information. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.